Alright, we're back. Long interruptions again. Well, I didn't scrape that off yet. Missed a spot. I thought I scraped everything off already. Appears to be some gasket material left over. See why you don't put your finger in front?
Yeah, exactly.
I still rubbed across it, you see it? But I didn't dig into it.
Just reminded yourself.
Unless there's some red coming off right now.
Red Loctite?
Yeah, red Loctite. Yeah. I've used blood for Loctite before, it doesn't work. Fred's the best one about gashing himself. He likes to gash himself with
Really?
a scraper. Yeah, he always does. You think he learned his lesson, but
Probably not.
not yet. He's hard-headed. At least put a pair of gloves on.
Yeah.
It'll slow down the gash. This stuff does not want to come off. Stuff's on there. Of course, it's awkward to hold this. Does not help it. So he wants to leave me a review. How much do I need a review?
I think you're okay.
I don't care about reviews. Could care less. Yep. All we care about the good running bike out front. That's all we care about. Everybody else have all those little hearts and stars and whatever else. They give gold stars still? Used to be a big deal back in the day. A gold star.
The stickers?
Yep. I didn't like it back then either. Get that crap away from me. There we go. Alright, where's the other part at? There it is. Now how are we going to do that without getting myself? That looks dangerous. Yeah. Harley makes stuff easier to do. It's all about how you hold it. Think maybe this is why you want me to put the tranny back together?
Yeah.
You don't want to deal with all the scraping?
Sure, that's the reason.
He's a mechanic too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Didn't work on Harley, that's used to work on iron horses.
Oh, really?
Now he works for the city. At least he did, used to.
Mm-hmm.
Some kind of mechanic for them. Alright, now it's clean. All that just to get a gasket. See, now you got these format gaskets you buy these days, and you don't have to do any of this crap. They go on and off cleanly. But these still have old style gaskets on these. Okay, where's the lid at? It's nearby.
On the
Right in front of me. My eyeballs are still frozen.
yeah, it's cold out.
You're all pussies about how cold it isn't. There it is over there. Stuff's getting nice and thick. I like it thick. Still gooey though. Okay, see how it's offset? So you make sure you do it right. Gasket looks like it's almost on center, but the gasket's offset too, there you go. Let's see, this goes this direction. This has to go inside there, and this has to line up to it. See, we're too low. Go to 180. Now we're too high. Back the way I had it the first time. That's loose. Alright, you bring me the bolts? I forgot to look first. I bet you didn't bring me the bolts. No. There's a lot of hardware that's missing. How are you supposed to put something together with no hardware? You see any bolts in this package?
Nope.
No bolts in here. Yeah, I'm supposed to put a train together. Okay, whatever. I don't know what you expect me to do without hardware. Takes 2 bolts. I guess he's gonna get some new bolts because I need something. Now we're gonna find some bolts. We're gonna go find some bolts. We'll be back. So what did we learn?
We learned that
Long bolts work better, but you have to screw them in harder. So I think Harley ran a 3/4 inch bolt. I put a 7/8 in there, so it goes in that deep. So the last 1/16 of an inch, it had to go. It had to make it do fresh threads that were never used before. Okay, does this work? No. There it goes. Stiff. Where's neutral? Right there. Not quite. There's neutral. Alright. Lock tab, lock tab. Looks like everything should be how it's supposed to be. See, I'm supposed to set the shift forks, but you have to have it bolted together to set the shift forks. So remember, bring hardware with you when you want to get trying together. Makes things a lot easier. Okay, we're done with that. Alright, it only took an hour. Alright, put it back.